super excited to be with Mary and her 2018 8V RS3. So what exactly are we looking at right here?
You are looking at a Mythos Black 8V RS3 Stage 2 Plus.
Stage 2 Plus, so it's definitely tuned.
Oh yeah.
Can you go into detail a little bit about the modifications that it has, including that tune?
Absolutely. So it's a Stage 2 Unitronic tune on the TCU and ECU.
Okay.
It has an aftermarket cold air intake, intercoolers, downpipes, mid-pipes, exhaust. It has the works.
Yeah.
It's about 600 horsepower.
Wow.
So.
And that's a crank horsepower?
It is.
Crank horsepower.
Yep.
So, wow. So what made you want to get an RS3, and especially an RS3 with the modifications like this?
I needed something with power and speed. My husband previously had an 18 8V RS3 Stage 3 with 800 horsepower. I was hooked from day one. It was so impressive and phenomenal that I had to get something similar. This popped up, we jumped at the deal. It was already built to the specifications that I wanted, so I didn't have to do anything to it. I could just pick it up and drive it home. So
wow.
I flew out to Seattle, drove home across the country in 2 days by myself, and I've been smiling ever since.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So as far as how well these cars hold up, because they are performance cars, people beat on them.
Yeah.
Well, what's your opinion on that and how long they can last?
Audi's known for their engineering. They do a very good job. 5 cylinders are known to be some of the best bulletproof engines out there. So it seems to be pretty good. I have 109,000 miles on this just about.
Oh, wow, okay.
So, you know, that shows that it goes pretty far. We expect it to get quite a bit more. I'm hoping to hold on to it for a while and just kind of see how many miles I can put on it and see how far this car will go, especially with those modifications, because most people don't drive them that much, or it's not their daily, whereas this is my year-round daily, so it gets a lot of miles on it. So I'm kind of interested just to push the envelope and see what I can do.
So you just mentioned year-round driving. So you drive this through the snow because we live in Michigan?
Well, I'm going to. So I just got it in June. This will be the first winter, but I did just buy a new set of wheels and winter tires, and I'm gonna daily it through the snow and just have a ton of fun and see what I could do with it.
That sounds like fun. What is your favorite part about the car so far?
The speed.
The speed, yeah. Fair enough.
It's fast, it's fun. The noise, the exhaust is incredible. Also, it's really, really comfortable, which is awesome. In those corners, I'm comfortable in my seat. I'm not getting tossed around. It holds me in, and just the all-over driving experience can't be beat.
That's great.
Yeah.
Now, if you had to pick one thing that's your least favorite about the car, what would that be?
I honestly don't have any single thing I dislike about this car.
Really?
I'm absolutely in love with every single thing about it.
That's amazing. That says something.
Yeah.
It's a good car. So if someone bought one of these, what would be your must-have modification that they get?
If you have a car like this, you must get a Stage 2 tune for the TCU and ECU with the bolt-ons, because it's just so capable of everything. If you're gonna buy one of these cars, you might as well do it the right way and just go for it with the Stage 2.
Yeah, it just changes the whole car.
It does. It changes the entire driving experience, and it's well worth it.
That's awesome. So I know these cars are pretty good performance for value. If I wanted to buy one like this today, about how much would that cost me?
One of these already tuned is probably 45, maybe 50, just depending on the mileage and what exact tune they have and what mods they have on it.
Okay.
For what you get out of it, it's money well spent. You get so much car for that money.
Sweet. Well, shall we take it on a spin?
Absolutely, let's go.
All right. Sounds great. Is there a soft limiter on it?
There is, yeah.
That sounds good. It sounds crazy.
Sounds pretty nice.
Yeah. Wow, it corners hard.
It corners hard. little bit.
Yeah, it does. That is fun. Where does it really start pulling as you're driving? Where can you really feel it?
I don't know. Everywhere? I mean, honestly, first, second gear throw you, but if I'm at 90, I can floor it and it'll still push you back.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Man. Oh my gosh. It corners like nothing else.
That's my winter tires. That's not my good summer tires for cornering either.
That's nuts. With winter tires. Taking a, what, 35-mile-an-hour corner at 85?
Maybe.
Wow. Sheesh. Have you taken this to the track?
Not yet. April
That'll
is
be
the
fun.
event that we usually go to, so I'm anxious.
Are you driving automatic or are you using paddle shifters?
Automatic.
Just automatic.
Yeah.
Do you always drive that way or do you ever switch it to manual?
I've messed around with it a couple of times just to feel the difference, but this dual clutch shifts so quickly, so smoothly that I feel I can't do it as quick as it.
Sure.
So
That makes sense. I'm assuming you like the corners better than straight line with this car. That's where it's fun.
yeah, that's where you really feel what it is capable of. Is
Yeah.
in those corners. It just digs in and grips so hard. That's how quick we get over 100.
Wow. It does not take much.
No.
Oh man, it keeps going. That's impressive. Man, that dual clutch is amazing too. I can notice it's like it's just shifting on the point and downshifting too. When you slow down, super quick.
Yeah.
Right where you need it to be.
Yeah, it's just spot on every time. And I never get tired of it.
No. The sound is out of this world too. Wow.
I enjoy it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I feel like my whole stomach's in the back of my body. Wow. It's an actual roller coaster going around these corners. I can tell you know what you're doing too. You're pushing it like, around the corners. You have good control though, it seems like. That turbo is crazy. Yeah, I'm sure this never gets old.
Never.
Sheesh. Dang. Man, it just picks up. Whew. That's a fun ride.
There's the roller coaster ride.
Yeah. If you made it this far in the video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And if you like what you just watched, you're definitely going to want to click on this video next.